A very good morning to all my dear students. So we have to start today about the equation. Okay, we have already started the chapter algebra जिसमें हमने variables के बारे में पढ़ लिया है. So today we are going to study about the equation, their solution, and we are going to solve the questions. So first of all, what is an equation? So it is a condition on a variable. इक्वेशन किसी वेरिएबल के ऊपर जब हम कोई कंडीशन रखते हैं दैट बिकम्स एन इक्वेशन. ओके, इट इज सेटिस्फाइड फॉर अ डेफिनेट वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरिएबल. अंडरस्टूड? मीन्स वो इक्वेशन जो होगी, इक्वेशन तब कहलाएगी व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग एन इक्वल टू साइन एंड यू आर राइटिंग समथिंग ऑन द अदर साइड ऑल्सो, देन इट बिकम्स एन इक्वेशन. अदरवाइज वो सिर्फ एक एक्सप्रेशन रहेगा. एंड इट इज सेटिस्फाइड फॉर अ डेफिनेट वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल. ओके, नाउ सोल्यूशन ऑफ एन इक्वेशन. व्हाट इज द सोल्यूशन ऑफ एन इक्वेशन? अभी हमने ऊपर पढ़ा कि कोई भी इक्वेशन की वेरिएबल की एक डेफिनेट वैल्यू होती है. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल इन एन इक्वेशन विच सेटिस्फाइज द इक्वेशन इज कॉल्ड इट्स सोल्यूशन. ओके, किसी भी इक्वेशन में वेरिएबल की जगह पे व्हेन वी आर पुटिंग सम नंबर एंड इट इज सेटिस्फाइंग द इक्वेशन, देन इट बिकम्स इट्स सोल्यूशन. ओके, so what is this definition? It will be better understand by you when you will just see the examples. Okay, so you can see here 17 is equal to x plus 7. अगर मैं यहाँ पर सिर्फ x plus 7 लिखती हूँ then it is not an equation. When I am writing equal to sign and writing something else, then it will become an equation. So I hope all of you have understood. फिर उसका solution वो होगा when I am putting value of x की ऐसी वैल्यू जिसे इस इक्वेशन में पुट करके ये दोनों साइड्स इक्वल आती हैं, इट विल बिकम द सॉल्यूशन. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विल जस्ट गो थ्रू क्वेश्चन वाइज. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 11.5 इज स्टेट विच आर द इक्वेशन एंड आइडेंटिफाई द वेरिएबल. ओके, आपको बताना है इनमें से कौन से इक्वेशन है और इस इक्वेशन में वेरिएबल कौन सा यूज हुआ है. सो फर्स्ट वन यू कैन सी 17 इज इक्वल टू x plus 7. So as I told you, in an equation two sides should be there, one equal to sign should be there. Okay, so yes, this is an equation and variable is x. जो भी आपका English letter use हुआ है that is the variable. Now next, t minus 7 is greater than 5. Now this is not an equation. Why? Because यहाँ पे inequality का sign put हुआ है. I have written in bracket. Okay, because here inequality sign is put, so this is not an equation. अंडरस्टूड. सिमिलरली 4/2 इज इक्वल टू 2. ये कंडीशन तो करेक्ट है बट इसमें कहीं पर भी वेरिएबल नहीं है, सो दिस इज नॉट एन इक्वेशन बिकॉज नो वेरिएबल इज देयर. ओके, सिमिलरली यू कैन सी 7 इज इक्वल टू 11 इंटू 5 माइनस 12 इंटू 4. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट एन इक्वेशन बिकॉज इस पूरे एक्सप्रेशन में वेरिएबल कहीं पर भी नहीं आ रहा है, नो वेरिएबल इज कमिंग. अंडरस्टूड. दिस इज z plus 12 is greater than 24. This is also not an equation because here inequality sign is there, but you know in an equation what do you need? Equal to ka sign. And the last one I have done for you is 7 minus x is 5. So yes, this is an equation with variable x. Okay, so this way now you would have understood ki equation kya hoti hai. So here you can see there are two equations. One is this proper and other is this. So equation is basically there should be a variable, an equal to sign and two sides. Okay, now we'll see what is the solution. So now you all can see the second question. In your textbook you can see a table is given जिसमें आपको पहला कॉलम इक्वेशन का है, सेकेंड कॉलम आपको वैल्यू ऑफ वेरिएबल है और थर्ड कॉलम आपका एम्प्टी कॉलम है विच यू हैव टू फिल वेदर द इक्वेशन इज सेटिस्फाइड और नॉट. नाउ बिफोर वी स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट इक्वल टू साइन के दोनों साइड जो होते हैं, लेफ्ट साइड में जो रहती है एक्सप्रेशन दैट इज कॉल्ड LHS, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, एंड जो राइट साइड में होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड RHS विच इज राइट हैंड साइड. ना कोई भी वैल्यू जो y की दी है या x की दी है, इट विल बिकम द सोल्यूशन ऑफ दैट इक्वेशन व्हेन LHS इज कमिंग इक्वल टू RHS. Then only you can say that the equation is satisfied. If LHS is not equal to RHS, then you will say equation is not satisfied. Okay, there are so many parts, all are similar, so I have done few for you so you can have a look. So you can see the first one, LHS, which is 10y. You can see this is the equation given to you, 10y is equal to 80. Now isme what is your LHS? 10y. And what is your RHS? 80. Now 80 is a constant. You don't have to do anything. The side where variable is there, you have to put the value, given value. Y की value कितनी दी आपको? 10. So put here 10 into y, which is 10 into 10, which is 100. Now compare this with RHS. 180. Are these two equal? No. So you will write this sign. This is called not equal to. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So you will write the equation is not satisfied. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Similarly, I have done F part, which is 4L is equal to 20. So in this case, LHS is 4L and RHS is 20. And value of L is given 5. So put in LHS, 4 into 5 is 20. And 20 and 20 are equal. So you will write LHS is equal to RHS. And since left hand side and right hand side are coming equal, you will write yes, the equation is satisfied. Okay, similarly this part also. So I'll just send the screenshot along with this, okay, this picture, so you can have a look. And you can see in the last part here negative value is given to you. The equation is p plus 3 is equal to 1 and the value is minus 1. So you don't have to get confused with negative value. You just have to put it. Process आपका same रहेगा. Write LHS, which is p plus 3 and RHS is 1. Value of p is minus 1. Put here. So it will become minus 1 plus 3. And minus 1 plus 3, you know, it will become 2. Now 2 and 1 are not equal. So you will write LHS is not equal to RHS. So equation is not satisfied. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood second question. So this way you have to do the remaining parts of this question also. Okay, stepwise and complete it. Now we'll see the next question, question number 3. So question number 3 is pick out the solution. This is also similar. You have to check LHS and RHS for the given value. The only difference is here one equation is given and 4 values are there. Okay, so one by one you have to check each and every value, and for which value LHS will be equal to RHS, that value will be the solution. So you can see I have written here LHS is 5m. Okay, and once you just write here RHS is equal to 60. Okay, in the starting you can write RHS is equal to 60. Now here you can see 5 into first value is 10. 5 tens are 50, which is not equal to 60, not equal to RHS. So 10 is not a solution. Similarly, second value you can put 5 into, what is the second value? 5. 5 5s are 25, which is again not equal to 60. Okay, so here you can just write it like this also. 50 is not equal to 60. 25 is not equal to 60. Okay, so LHS is not coming. Okay, RHS, LHS is not coming equal to RHS. Then you have 5m, which is 5 into 12. Third value is 12. Then 5 into 12 is 60. Okay, and 60 is equal to 60. So you have got LHS is equal to RHS. So you will write 12 is a solution. Now don't forget to check for the last value also, which is 15. 5 15s are 75, which is not equal to 60. So 15 is also not a solution. Okay, so this way you have to do this question. This is also simple. I have done one more equation. So I'll be sending the screenshot, the picture of this. So remaining parts of question number 3 you have to do by your own. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. And please complete this exercise till question number 3. Thank you.